Okay, so it is official. I have become that grumpy camper. That one that sticks to the rules, expects everyone else at the campsite to stick to the rules as well. I mean, what am I thinking? Anyway, so we just had to ask the people in the caravan next to us to not put their table and chairs right next to our caravan, which is fine, but it's just one of those things, isn't it? Like, you shouldn't have to do that. Which I think that is the point. I think the point is there is definitely a difference between different campsites, and the etiquette, like at different campsites. Caravan and Motorhome Club site, I never have someone park less than 3 meters away from my pitch. Never expect someone to park less than 3 meters away from my pitch and then plonk their table and chairs there to start having their meal right outside the door of my caravan. Like, what is going on? And now I've got frisbees being thrown right where camping pitches are, not a playground. Dogs roaming free. I had golfing yesterday, golfers just playing golf, albeit soft toy golf, but it's still in the middle of the caravans. Football going on. Like, Caravan and Camping Club, get your act together please. Rant over.